Wiperblades.co.uk are here to show you just how easy it is to change a wiper blade, this time on the 75 plate Ford Kuga. Here we have the wiper blade ready to go, and here I have the Aero Wiper, which is wiperblades.co.uk's very own wiper blade. So it is a multi-fit blade, as we've mentioned before, and we've got 7 options here, and we are using the pinch tab multi-fit wiper blade. I've got one here. So put the box down here. I'll show you just how easy it is. It should take seconds. You just push the little tabs in here, bend that out, and that is off in a matter of less than seconds. There we go. And then we put that in, hook that in, just there. Make sure we pinch these in, give that a firm click, and there we go. Your wiper blade is changed. Easy as that. Wiperblades.co.uk, saving you time and money on your wiper blades.